guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the three basic operations plus, minus and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm task and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is -2, C is -4 and D is 4. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and palm task rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. So here we will apply this rule to solve the given expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So the rule is same for both. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. And both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Either you are using the BODMAS or palm task, the rule is same. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first. So now we have to solve the given expression. According to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So now we have bracket first, 2 plus 6. So first of all, we have to solve this one, which is 8, and divided by 2 raised to power 3. Again, we have to write as it is, and minus 15 divided by 3, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 2 plus 6 equals to 8. Now, step number 2, we have to solve the exponent part or order of expression. So now we have 8 divided by 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 8, minus 15 divided by 3, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 2 raised to power 3. So we will write here power. Now go forward. Step number 1 and 2 we have solved. Now move forward. Now move forward for division and multiplication. Or now we have to solve the division and multiplication and multiplication and division. So now we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 8 divided by 8. So we have to solve this one first, which is 1. And minus 15 divided by 3. So here we have to solve this one as well. It becomes 5. And now we have to give the reference 8 divided by 8 equals to 1. And 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is -4. So the answer of the given expression is -4, which is C part. So if you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using palm task and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.